So this is the transport center. So they say I'm going to Grenville. So I'm going to go to Grenville right now. So we're going to do a vlog in Grenville today. Walk around and, you know, just enjoy life. Okay, so I'm currently in Grenville. I just got here. I guess this is the bus park. I was expecting something a little more. I was actually expecting to see like an overall on it, but I guess none is there. So I guess I'm gonna head down into the town right now and see if I can get something to eat, because I didn't eat anything this morning. There's a lot of people. So this is my first time in Grenville. Yay! So there's a lot of mirage here. Mirage or morass or whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of it here at the... But it's really cute to have like a waterfront here. It's really nice. It's kind of windy. What's here? You have fashion places. Then I'm going to walk in some of the stores. I'm going to walk up this area. See what it's about. KFC up there. That's a pretty developed place, man. They have the look at KFC and whatever, guys on the roadside selling food. Not really food, but unprocessed food that you get from in the garden or your farm. I don't know what that flag is about. Oh my gosh. So down that street, I'm gonna walk back that street when I'm coming back up. Just walking around, being snoopy. And I guess I come out of the centralized area, because down this side isn't so saturated with people. They have a little alleyway here. I don't know where it leads to. Stores. I don't know what's that over there. Oh, some bars. Oh, there's a place across here. I'm gonna go and see what they sell. Oh, they have cuckoo. I gotta stay and grab a bite. They have cuckoo. I'm obsessed with cuckoo. Lady over there cooking her fries. I don't know fries. Okay, so I got cuckoo, turkey and rice. I don't know what the fuck. This is amazing. This is good as it looks. Cuckoo. Turkey drumettes, cuckoo and rice and peas. I should have took vegetables, because I think vegetables would be really good with this, but they didn't take cards here and I didn't want to bring up my bill, and everyone is in the line. When I reach up I couldn't pay or didn't have enough money, so they have to put back, so I just didn't take any vegetables. I strongly think they should get a card reader or something, but it's all good. I'm eating. Just have like a ash burnt taste to it. I really like that. It's all good with me. I was supposed to wait on my friend till my friend came to get something to eat. But I couldn't wait 'cause I didn't eat this morning. And to come all this way, I got really hungry on the bus. Just got something to eat, so I'm going to follow him to get his tattoo. Then we head back to town. Then we head to Grenville Beach. I hate eating and talking because I feel like people are looking at me. What the fuck? I don't give a shit. I have a really big party mouth. I'm trying to like not show you guys that I have a really bad party mouth, but as time goes by, you guys are figuring me out. My party mouth is really out of control. There's so much gravy. This is so good. And the gravy is like sweet, kind of savory. I guess it's like stew, brown stew, because they were selling stew chicken and Grenada at the mall, and I told the lady I wanted brown stew because that's what we call it in Jamaica. And she asked me if I'm from Africa. So I was like, no, I'm not from Africa, I'm from Jamaica. She's like, oh, why you call it brown stew? It's called brown down or something like that. So I was like, no. So I was like, just stew then. Stew. So I just started using stew everywhere I go. Stew chicken. Actually, stew turkey. My plate is a mess, and I think Grenada is cooperating with the no styrofoam, so that's good. Okay, now I feel energized. I can walk up and down now and do all sort of crap. Oh, there's a market. I'm gonna walk around by this market side first, and then I'm just gonna go around. There's a lot of stuff here. And clean. It's really clean. I've just walked straight through. So I see cinnamons, I see scallions, I see carrots, I see all sort of things, and even a little blackbird running with food. I have all sort of things selling here, man. My little crafts. I think I'm gonna get one of those craft things when I'm coming back, you know. Take something like, I remember seeing something like this in town. So I guess it's the same thing, but this one down this area is bigger. I don't know what this plaza is about. Maybe it's a clothing store or something. Just saw number 9 bus there. I never really knew where the number 9 bus actually goes. No. So I'm trying to browse around in here and see what it's about. There's a lot of stuff in here. I was expecting like beach shorts, but I don't see any beach shorts. I don't even know which area to turn right now. All these stores, like, they sell the same thing. The repetitiveness is real. You can't go anywhere and see different kind of stuff. All the same shirts, same things. So everything is the same. Just walking around anyways. I'm in Grenville. Yay! I'm here waiting on you for about an hour and it's just reached. Yes. Oh, we're not going to use landscaping. So this is Shade's first tattoo. You're happy? You're lucky. So I am finally home after a long day of vlogging. It's around after 9 now. What happened? I mean, the day was great. I can't complain. It was great for the most part. We had fun. My friend did his tattoo. It was just epic. It was kind of long because the tattoo took about 4 hours to do. And we were supposed to meet some other friends on the beach, and we wasn't expecting the tattoo to be done so late. But we end up waiting anyways and got the tattoo done because we weren't going to go back another day. And he only got to do 1 tattoo, couldn't do 2 because 2 was what he was originally going to do. And we left and we were like, we're going to go home now. And we reached in the bus terminal and everything. First we stopped and got jerk chicken because I saw an Indian lady was selling jerk chicken, so I stopped and get some. And we go around by the bus park and we heard a guy was like, St. George, St. George, St. George. So my friend was like, okay, we should just jump in the bus and whatever. So we went in the bus. And when we went in the bus took us to St. David's, and we were like, first my friend was like, we're going the wrong way. So I was like, you sure? Because I don't really know if we're going the wrong way. He was like, yeah, we're going the wrong way. So I was like, you sure? So he stopped the guy right before we reached at the stop in St. David's, and we got off. And it was extremely difficult to get a bus because, you know, St. David's don't really have a capital or anything like that. And what happened is that we end up got a ride from a very nice Rasta guy called Boomina Drive or what he called, they call it another name, but I just call it Boomina Drive because that's what you call it in Jamaica. And the guy gave us a ride, and we ended up getting another bus to come to St. George. And it was kind of bad but kind of adventurous in a way. So I really like that because I get the opportunity now to boom a drive, even though I did it once when I was going to Calabash. So, so it was just fun. It was just a really twist up day and really not what we planned, but at the same time I enjoyed it. I went to Grenvil, I had fun. It was great and we got home safe and everything is good. Can't complain, I love it.